out here in Germany. That one girl like this. She was sexy. Let her something.
Who are?
Huh?
Who are?
Jessica and her friend.
But where are they going?
To Berlin.
From?
Switzerland. But they've been hitchhiking, and then they're not all the way here.
Yeah.
Bird. Oh, this is cool. Hey, let's get high. You want to get high? You can get high first. Like, come on, you're being ridiculous. Made this post about like all these authors, these kind of like 90s famous authors and how they're shit because they're white men and they only write about being white men from the perspective of being white men. And it's like, yeah, they're white men. Just being honest about how they're white men and how they think, you know, maybe they have issues with women and think they're objects. And they should write books from that perspective. Do you want these white men to be socially conscious and, you know, just let everyone writes books that appeal to everyone? You know, I think the issue in the end, yeah, it's an issue like these are the only popular writers from that time, or some of them, but the issue is the publishers are not giving publicity to.
Bring me back to life, forgive me for the trouble I become.
Okay, I was wondering why it was like front lights, shitty shit ones, you know. It was good though. It was a nice time. The different, not white male people, just weren't being promoted at the time.
Yeah.
But as things
But
changed,
they also would have written very good things.
Yeah, then they did write good things. And they're writing awesome things from their perspectives. And they have everyone has their own bias that you should be able to see in writing, because that's exciting. Can't wake up.
Bring me back to life.
Wake up.
Bring me back to life.
Oh, maybe you should look first. You think you can get down on your own? I think go to some nights together, like outside by the porch, just chatting.
How can you see into my eyes like open